This is for Garage Door Genius. Just gonna drive on home. Video driving home. I was at Walmart looking at movies at Redbox, but they don't have anything, so oh well, let's go home. It's not a huge loss. Here we go. Focus would probably help, wouldn't it? Oops. Alright. Oh, look at that. When I get home, I have a tire air pump, so nothing looked low when I approached the car, so I think I'll be alright. Probably a slow leak. There's a lot of construction, so I probably picked up a nail. Went through construction on the highway today, so I probably picked up something. Okay. I would show the street, but we're like right in front of a car sitting at a light, and I don't want them to think I'm doing something by showing the license plate. So, trying to be courteous here. We'll look at the road here in a second. Sorry, I know this sucks. You can just, I guess this video will be driving home and you can look at the gauge cluster. See, so watch. I'm gonna drive any different? Someone hit the sign. Ah! Dumbasses. Yep, someone snapped that sign pole almost in half. Good job, dumbasses. That's alright. We're moving anyway, so it's alright. And looks like a dash cam, I guess, in a way. Where if someone does something stupid, I got it on camera. That sun is bright. Holy crap. It's not helping. Oh, whatever. Got trees, so 200 miles empty. I'm at 63,920 miles since I got the car. I've had 200 miles, 300 miles since I've bought it. I've had it for 2 weeks. Definitely put a lot of miles on it. But yeah. So if I go here, hit this. Scroll down, hit information. System check, 1 message active. Hit that, low tire pressure. So I hit back, go up 2, trip 1, hit OK, and we're back to square 1. So yeah, well, okay, I'll figure that out. It's alright. Clean my windshield a bit. Cool. And haha, it ran over our sign. Haha. This is a piece. Anyway, I don't know if you can see those tire marks in the ground from time to time. See if another one pops up. Right there. That was actually my old Camry. I just yanked the right there. I set the emergency brake and the back tires just locked up in. So they just locked up. And burned rubber. I actually had to get the one of the tires replaced because it had a complete flat spot and it was making a loud humming, whirring noise as if a wheel bearing was bad, but it ended up being a tire. Oops. Oh well, who cares? But yeah, I just yank, and I'm just kidding. Actually, on mine, the Camry, it was a floor emergency brake, which I'm glad it's on the Focus. It's here, not in the floor, because if you're new and you're not sure, and you put your foot here to arrest it, and you're gonna smack the emergency brake. Ford, why are you going so fucking slow? I don't think it knows what it's doing. Okay. I don't think it knows where it's going. Good. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. There you go. Okay. Here we go. And we're back. So I'll take a look at that tire. Look at it. Okay. There. See? It's gonna come back. And what I like about Ford, you can see that. Just flick it. Oops. Flick it, and it comes back. That's pretty cool, isn't it? One more time. Flick it. And then we're back alive. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyways, I was driving home. What the? Oh. It's kind of weird how the light hazard just flashed once. Okay, whatever. That's it. See ya.